Alright, well my headlights went out, so today I'm going to try switching to these SEALIGHT LEDs. It's the same price as a new halogen, and these are supposed to be brighter, so I'm going to test them out and see how they do. So these are super easy. You just come in behind, you can see where this bulb is.
I can help you fix it, Dad.
I got it, buddy. So easy, a toddler can almost do it. This is a little red tab you gotta click out, and then just pull this connector off, and then quarter turn left to get the old bulb out, and then repeat the process for the new bulb. Not too bad. I just quarter turned left and pulled the bulb out. Now all you gotta do is loosen this red tab, and then pull that. Alright, so this is the new bulb. Don't touch the LED part. Don't touch anything with your bare hands. So you just plug this in to the old plug. You quarter turn right into that socket hole, and then make sure this LED part is sitting. Is it 9 and 3 or 12 and 6? I gotta go look it up. Well, it's gonna be one of them. It's on the instructions. All right, so you need the LED chips to face 3 and 9, so it's gotta be in there like that. So you'll put it in, and then quarter turn, and then plug in the bottom. So this is the old halogen on the left and the LED on the right. It's just twilight, so it doesn't get greatest feedback, but you can see that the cutoff line's good. It's not gonna blind other drivers, and it's just a tad bit brighter. Oh yeah, these things are sweet.
What?
Let me go for a drive and let you know what I think of them. I've been driving them for a little while, but yeah, pretty excited about these new LED lights, and now I shouldn't have to change lights for a really long time. Alright, first test drive. Boom. Gosh, those things are sweet. Oh yeah, these things are awesome. They're definitely brighter, not annoyingly bright. I haven't had anyone flash the lights at me, so definitely a good buy.